Here is a video on how to reset service oil light on Ford Mondeo Mk4, Focus 4, Fiesta, 2011 to 2015, in just 4 easy steps. 1. Press and hold the brake and accelerator pedals. 2. Turn the ignition on. Don't turn the engine on while holding down the accelerator and brake pedals. 3. Keep the pedals pressed until the message Service, Oil Reset and Progress changes to Service, Oil Reset Complete. 4. Then press the OK button and turn off the ignition. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.